Did you know that understanding local tax laws can help you save money on your vehicle expenses? As we navigate the world of tax laws and vehicle classifications, it becomes clear that the potential for savings is vast. Registration fees, property taxes, and sales tax rates can all be influenced by how your vehicle is classified. Whether it's a compact car or a luxury motorhome, every vehicle has its unique tax implications. By properly classifying your vehicle, you can determine the right taxes to pay and ownership costs. Ever thought of registering your motorhome through a Montana LLC? You see, when it comes to vehicle registration, the state you choose can make a world of difference. Montana, for instance, is a particularly attractive option. Registering your motorhome through a Montana LLC can lead to substantial tax benefits and lower expenses. It's all about understanding the nuances of the tax code and leveraging them to your advantage. So remember, choosing the right state for vehicle registration can significantly impact your tax savings. Did you know some states are more tax-friendly for vehicle owners than others? In the world of tax laws, understanding the nuances can be a game changer. Some states offer lower registration fees, property taxes, and sales tax rates. Then there's the concept of business use deductions. If your vehicle is used for business purposes, a portion of your expenses could be tax deductible. This includes maintenance, improvements, and even exemptions. Maximizing tax savings requires a keen understanding of deductions and tax-friendly locations. Ever wondered how maintenance, improvements, and exemptions can play a key role in saving costs? Keeping precise records of your vehicle expenses, mileage, and repairs is absolutely crucial for maximizing your deductions. But it's not just about record keeping. Having a tax professional by your side can be a game changer. They can help you identify hidden deductions, minimize your tax liability, and craft a tax planning strategy that's just right for you. Avoid common mistakes in tax planning to ensure you're not paying unnecessary taxes on your vehicles and motorhomes.